Hello, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we're going to have a short video to know how to keep yourself safe on these roads during the wintertime. One of those ways to keep yourself safe on these roads are to make sure that your tire pressure is exactly where they need to be. First and foremost, if your tire pressure isn't correct, you're going to lose dramatic gas mileage. Also, if your tire pressure is increased, you are risking the potential for a blowout. So one way to check the tire pressure of your vehicle is in your vehicle. There is a sticker on the driver's side door that will show you exactly where your tire pressure needs to be. All vehicles are not the same, all tires are not the same, all rim sizes are not the same. So it's very important to check what your particular tire pressure vehicle recommendation should be, and to make sure that you put your tire pressure exactly where the manufacturer recommends them to be. Way to check your tire pressure is to open the driver's side of your vehicle. You come to the driver's side, you look at the trim, you come down here, and there's going to be a sticker. And as we can see with this particular one right here, the tire pressure says 35 PSI. That's your front, 35 PSI in the rear. This is where you want to keep your tire pressure at all time. You don't want it at 34, you don't want it at 36, you want it exactly where the manufacturer recommends your tire pressure to be. That will keep you safe. That will also get you the most amount of gas mileage out of your vehicle. So once again, Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Come see me. I can show you this trick in person, help keep you safe, and we can definitely take care of you. All right, have a great day. Take care.